Ooh, yeah. Just got done with a nice long run and thinking about this quote. You're either getting better or you getting worse. You never stay the same. This quote by David Goggins, got done reading his book, and it's really just talking about this importance of, self-improvement day by day, putting one foot in front of the other, sometimes literally. But, a lot of the times running gives me an opportunity to have some more self-reflection, and it reminds me of how I have to constantly evolve and grow and move forward so that I can improve. Otherwise, if I don't do anything, I'm getting worse, right? So it's just a reminder that every day we have a choice on what we're going to do. Are we going to take that first step out the door in the 30-degree weather and make it happen? I had to put my gloves on today. But that's fine. There's no such thing as standing still if you want to keep going. And just a powerful quote to me, for as far as running goes. It just, each time I get out, I focus on my breathing, how my strides are, my form, so that I can move farther, faster with better form. But it's also not limited to running. And whenever I have these talks about running, it's really a metaphor. It all applies to life, whether it's work or relationships or just our own personal growth and evolution. We just need to remind ourselves that we have to keep taking that first step, putting it in front of us, and not be stagnant. You have to be active on working on yourself and not falling behind. So hopefully this inspires some of you to get out next week for this lung cancer charity event that we're putting on. So look forward. I got the shirts here. Look forward to having people out and doing the deal.